In the early 18th century, a chorus of thinkers challenged authority, arguing reason and consent should guide society, challenging royal privilege and church authority. Voltaire, Locke, and Rousseau questioned absolute rule, while Newtonian science linked empirical method to reform and social order. Civil institutions, journalism, and coffeehouses became laboratories for debate, spreading liberal ideas about rights and representation across cities. Across continents, revolutions in America tested republican ideals, legal equality, and federal governance against old hierarchies. Today, modern governance, science, and culture trace their roots to these debates that reshaped law, inquiry, and public life.